What's up, everybody? This is Big Papa here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to place an image inside of a text to get a cool effect. Let's begin. First thing I'm going to do, go to File and open up an image. Here you go. I'm going to open up right here. It says banner. Here you go. This is a fish tank, a coral room. So we're going to work on that. The next step you want to take is the background right here. You want to create a layout. So hit Control J, PC, and there you go. You just created a layout. There you go. The next step you want to take, you want to create a solid white color one. So go here to the layer on the bottom here, the round circle. Click on that. You go up to the top where it says solid color. And I want to use the color white. Click on white. Hit OK. And there you go. The next step you want to take is get this color fill right under the layout one. So I'm going to click on it, drag it so you see a little gray line, let it go. Now on top here, layer one is on top. That's what we want. Layer one is the actual photo, and the second one here is the color fill, and then the third one is the background. And what we want to do next now is add a text. Don't forget to click on the layout one, because sometimes we forget we're working on color fill, background. We forget to click on them, and we're actually working on these when we're not supposed to. So click on layout one. There you go. Go to where it says text. I'm going to use here the biggest number, 72. Don't worry about the number. We're going to be adjusting that later on. And I'm going to use the color white. We used up here white. Sometimes it's black, sometimes it's blue. Just click on white. Select it clear. Click here. I'm going to type the word fish. There you go. And I'm going to move it over right here. And there you go. The next step we want to take is I want to get layer one back on top. So I'm going to click on the text, drag it down to the degree line. Now layer one is on top. That's what I want. Second layer will be the text. The third one is going to be the color fill, and the fourth one is the background. Again, go back to up here where it says layer one and click on it. That's the one we're going to work on. The next step we're going to take is going to go up here where it says layer, and we want to create a clipping mask. And you can see we create the clipping mask, and it's the word fish. Pretty cool. So go back up here to layout one, and you want to stretch it down and make it bigger. You go to edit, retransform, and there you go. And I'm going to show you the mistake I made. When I hit retransform, I clicked on layer one. You can see it moving. So I didn't want that. I made a mistake. But it's okay just to show you guys that it's very important that you click on the layer you want to work on. I wanted to click on text, and I didn't. I clicked on layer one, and this is what happened. So I'm just gonna hit don't apply. I'm gonna go back here to the text. There you go. That's what I'm gonna work on. Go to edit, retransform, and there you go. Nice and big. Stretch it to wherever you want. Move it over. Let me get real big here real quick. Then I'll go here and hit apply. And there you go. You can see right here the F right here, FIS, the fish, that is kind of cut off. That's because when I went to layer one, I moved the retransform. So I'm gonna go back to edit, retransform. See right here what happens? And then I'm gonna go back up, and there you go. I close it back up. So the mistake I made, now I'm fixing it. Now everything's nice and full. You can see the background in the word fish. Pretty cool. And you hit apply. See, the thing I don't like here is that the words are too far apart. So I click over where it says text, click right in the middle, move to the letters, hold the Alt key down, and move the arrow. Oh, you see it shifting? Then you let go of it. Go back over here, hold the Alt key again. Bring it closer again, the arrow key. Move to the next spot, click on it, hold the Alt key down. Click on the arrow key to okay where you liking it. That's fine right there. One more. That's good. And that's it. Much closer. Looks a lot better. Too far apart. Then the next thing you can do is actually go back up to edit, retransform, and you can make it even wider now. It's not going to separate. It's going to be a lot bigger. There you go. The word fish. You can see the background here. It's pretty cool. Hit apply. And you can see if I click in the middle here, I can adjust right here. The background here is moving around. And I can place that wherever I want to place it at. So I can show the fish or text, see right here. Wherever you want to put it, I can put it at. It's really nice. And we're done with that. See right here where it's solid white. If you want to change that color, go right here where it says color fill. Double click on that. And it has so you change the color, whatever color I want, blue. Pretty cool. Or you could also go to the image right here and click on anything you want and it will change. See that? I click on the coral and it changes to that. I click on the fish and it changes to that. So you can do a lot of cool things to it. I'm just gonna go right here and click on the coral, kind of like that brown color. So it looks cool. And hit OK. I'm gonna show you guys something real quick here. I'm gonna go back here to the color fill. Double click on that. And I'm gonna put the color solid white here real quick. So I'm gonna show you guys how to use this here and ghost it or transform it and then add it onto another document where this can just flow in there, just the word fish without the background. It's pretty cool. You want to save this as a PNG file because you could be able to transparent it on another document. So we're just gonna call it. Sorry, I'm gonna just call it fish. And we save that as the PNG file. Hit OK. Now with save. And what you want to do next is where it says background here. Click on that, and you're gonna hit Control J, and you're gonna create a layout 1. So what you want to do is go where it says background and shut that off, and then go back to the layer 1. And once you got the layer 1, you want to go right here to the eraser on the left hand side here. Right click, and you want to go to where it says Magic Eraser Tool, the bottom one. Click on that, and you're going to click on the white. And you can see everything is gone here. Transparent is gone. The white is gone. So you should be able to go up here a little over here. Click here real quick. And I'm going to hold it here so you can move it. See? And there you go. Right there. And you're able to move it. You're able to use it as transparent. Now you have the word fish right here. What I do is take this word right here, fish. Go to select all, edit, copy. Then you open up, you go over here where it says file, open up a document where you want to put the word fish. Right here. So it's clownfish that I want. I'm going to use this background. And there's the background right here. Sorry. There's the background here. And I'm going to go over here where it says edit. And I'm going to hit paste. And hit OK. And there's the word fish right here. It's pretty cool. You can move it around where you want to put it at. Or you can go right here where it says edit. Free transform. And you can actually make it bigger if you want. There you go. And hit apply. And there you go. You can move it around wherever you want to put it at. And inside the word fish is the actual picture of some corals I had and fish. So it's pretty cool. And that's simple. And that's it when you're all done. I want to show you guys something else I can do here. It's pretty cool too. So here we have the video. Might as well continue. Go right here to the layout one. Click on that. Right click. Go to blending option. And you can go right here where it says stroke. Stroke. And you can go here with the colors. And you can put red if you want. Hit OK. And then you go right here to the size. And you can see it. See it moving? The size of it. And I'm going to play with that. Just keep it right there. A little bit more simple. And you hit OK. But you can also go to backdrop. You can click on that. Same thing. And you can change the different things under the colors. There's a lot of things you can do on this thing here. But I'm just showing you on stroke. And how simple it is. Hit OK. And there you go. There's the word fish. You can see the border is red. You can change the color. All you have to do is go to the blending option and go to stroke and change the color. This is Big Papa signing off. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Peace.